Alright, y'all, I'm back at it again. I'm on my exercise journey. I just ran into some old friends downtown and chilled with them for a little bit and talked to them. And now I'm on the way back to the house, and I stopped to take a break because I just climbed this mountain. So, yep. I'm on a weight loss journey for the doctor. I'm trying to lose at least 40 pounds. Yep. I love y'all, and definitely subscribe to my channel. I've had a good day today, y'all, and it was very exciting. And yeah. You hear the owls? There's owls hooting, and there's birds chirping. There's a squirrel, y'all. He's over there.